unveiling the dynamics of gazumping and gazundering in the UK property market. Introduction. In the intricate landscape of the UK property market, two terms often surface in discussions, sending ripples of concern and intrigue among both buyers and sellers. Gazumping and gazundering. These phenomena, while not new, continue to shape the dynamics of real estate transactions, prompting the need for a comprehensive understanding. In this article, we delve into the nuances of gazumping and gazundering, shedding light on what they mean and how they impact property dealings in the United Kingdom. Defining gazumping and its implications. What is gazumping? Gazumping refers to the practice where a seller accepts a higher offer from a different buyer after already agreeing to sell the property to someone else. This can be a disheartening experience for the initial buyer who may have invested time and resources in the transaction. The emotional toll on buyers. The emotional toll of gazumping is profound, as it can lead to feelings of frustration, disappointment, and even financial loss for the initially interested party. While not illegal, gazumping often leaves a sour taste in the mouths of those left in the wake of a higher offer. Gazundering. A seller's gambit. Understanding gazundering. On the flip side, gazundering occurs when a buyer lowers their offer just before the completion of the property transaction. This maneuver is typically executed to secure a more favorable deal, taking advantage of the seller's desire to close the deal. The seller's dilemma. For sellers, gazundering introduces an additional layer of uncertainty and stress into an already complex process. Facing the prospect of losing a potential buyer or accepting a reduced offer, sellers find themselves in a challenging position that demands careful navigation. The legal framework surrounding gazumping and gazundering. Gazumping and the lack of legal protection. In the UK, unlike some jurisdictions, there is no legal framework specifically designed to protect buyers from gazumping. Once an offer is accepted, it is not legally binding until contracts are exchanged, leaving room for competing offers to supersede the initial agreement. The legality of gazundering. Similarly, gazundering is legal in the UK, although it may be considered an unscrupulous practice. The absence of legal safeguards leaves both buyers and sellers vulnerable to the unpredictable twists and turns of the property market. Mitigating the risks. Tips for buyers and sellers. Securing your position as a buyer. For buyers navigating the potential minefield of gazumping, there are proactive steps that can be taken to mitigate the risks. Act swiftly once your offer is accepted, and consider requesting that the property be taken off the market to discourage other potential buyers. Safeguarding seller interests. Sellers, too, can adopt strategies to safeguard their interests against gazundering. Ensure open communication with your buyer, establish a realistic asking price, and be wary of buyers who may attempt to exploit your eagerness to close the deal. The future of property transactions in the UK. Evolving trends and emerging technologies. As the UK property market evolves, embracing technological advancements such as blockchain and smart contracts, there is hope that some of the uncertainties associated with gazumping and gazundering may be mitigated. These innovations have the potential to streamline the transaction process, providing a more secure and transparent environment for both buyers and sellers. Conclusion. While the law may not guarantee complete protection, the Instant Fix Kit offers a proactive option.